Hello, my name is Katie St. Ors, certified financial planner and licensed tax consultant, and in today's video I will show you how to check on your tax refund. Let's get going. Tax season can be stressful, especially when you're waiting for your refund. Today we're going to simplify the process and show you exactly how to check the status of your tax refund. Before we begin, let's make sure you have everything you need. First, you'll need your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Second, your filing status, single, married, filing jointly, head of household, etc. If you don't know it, you can find it here at the top of your 1040 form. And lastly, the exact amount of your refund in dollars. You can find this information on your tax return. Keep this information handy, as you'll need it for the next steps. First, we'll use a computer to check it, and then I'll show you how to check your refund status using the IRS mobile app. And if you don't have a cell phone or a computer because you need your refund to buy one, I'll show you how to check by phone. The quickest and easiest way to check your refund is online, using the IRS Where's My Refund tool. You can find it on the IRS website. Just search for Where's My Refund and click on the official IRS link. Once you're on the page, click on Where's My Refund.
Trade in your boring job for a brilliant career using Adobe Creative Cloud. Start learning now with the free trial link in the description.
Next, enter your Social Security number. Pick a year. Let's pick the latest tax year. Your filing status and the exact amount of your refund. Again, you can find these on your 1040 form. After you submit it, you'll see your refund status. It's that simple. This tool updates once every 24 hours, usually overnight, so don't be alarmed if you don't see changes right away. If you get this error, double-check your information. It's common to make mistakes when entering all the numbers. If you're on the go, the IRS mobile app is another great option. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Just download the app, open it, and tap on Where's My Refund. It's convenient and easy to use, especially if you prefer using your cell phone. Pick a year. Let's pick the latest tax year. Next, enter your Social Security number, your filing status, and the exact amount of your refund. Again, you can find these on your 1040 form.
Trade in your boring job for a brilliant career using Adobe Creative Cloud. Start learning now with the free trial link in the description.
If you don't have internet access or prefer to talk to someone, you can also check your refund status by phone. Call the IRS refund hotline at 1-800-829-1040. This is the actual IRS refund hotline number. Be prepared to wait, and remember to have your information handy. That is, your Social Security number, your filing status, and the refund amount. Keep in mind that phone wait times can vary, especially during peak tax season, so grab a good book. Now let's talk about what those status messages actually mean. You might see phrases like return received, refund approved, or refund sent. Return received means the IRS has your return and is processing it. Refund approved means your refund has been processed and payment is being prepared. Refund sent means the IRS has sent your refund to your bank or mailed you a check. If you see something unexpected or if your refund is taking longer than usual, it's best to contact the IRS directly. If your refund is delayed, don't panic. There could be several reasons, such as errors on your return, identity verification issues, or additional reviews. If you've waited more than 21 days since you e-filed or 6 weeks since you mailed it, you can contact the IRS. Make sure you have your tax return and any IRS correspondence handy. And that's it. Checking your tax refund status is easy once you know where to look. Remember to use the official IRS tools and be patient.
Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful. Bye.